Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Myth, History and Recipe. And this is the fourth and the last episode of our very popular series, The Mysteries of the Oracle. As I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you a recipe that is related to the myth that I shared as well as the history that I shared. And both the myth and the history were related to the Greek gods. So today I am going to share with you a recipe which is said to have been relished by the Greek gods, a soup that has said to have been relished by the Greek gods, and that is the fasolada soup. Before we begin with the recipe, let's find out about the climate, the flora and the fauna found in Greece, because I think these are the factors which determine the kind of food that is eaten in a particular region. Greece has a Mediterranean climate with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Regional variations include cooler mountains, milder islands, and occasional heat waves. Greece's flora and fauna are integral to its cuisine. Olive trees provide olive oil, while herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary flavor dishes. Lemon trees and citrus fruits add zest, and grapes produce wine. The Greeks eat a lot of seafood also, like octopus and calamari, and the feta cheese comes from sheep and goats. They also have honey from bees. And now let's proceed with how to make the fasolada soup. It is a hearty Greek bean soup made from white beans, olive oil, tomatoes, carrots, and celery. It is highly nutritious and a great way to start the day. The ingredients that we will need include half of medium-sized bowl of white beans, 3 medium-sized sticks of celery, 3 small-sized carrots, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 apple, 1 medium-sized onion, 5 cloves of garlic, then some salt, chili flakes, and pepper. Also can be included some rosemary and bay leaves. First, soak the white beans in water along with a little salt for 8 to 12 hours. Now wash the beans thoroughly well after soaking. Now cut celery, carrot and onion into big chunks. Chop the garlic cloves into minute pieces. Then add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a saucepan and heat it. Now transfer all the veggies to the saucepan and saute for 20 minutes at low flame, and see to it that the veggies don't turn brown. After 20 minutes, when the veggies become soft, add the tomato paste to it and mix it well. Next, add beans, bay leaves, rosemary to the mixture and keep the apple in between the saucepan for pectin and fruity flavor. After that, add 2 liters of water to the mixture, cover with the lid and heat on a slow flame for 1.5 hours. 10 minutes before you turn off the flame, add salt and pepper. The apple from the soup is disposed of and the soup is ready to be served. The soup can be served with feta cheese sprinkled with chili flakes and pepper, and also bread. And this is the Greek way of serving this fasolada soup. With this, we come to an end of this 4-part series of the mysteries of the oracle. We had some insights into the myth of the oracle, the history of the oracle, and we also had some insights into the research done behind it. And in this part, we came to know the recipe of the famous fasolada soup, which is said to have been relished by the Greek gods. Now, if you have not seen the previous 3 parts, I have shared the link to them in the description box. If you have liked this series of myth, history and recipe, please like, subscribe and share. Please do comment about your views and also press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever we upload a new series.